Hi, today in front of me Cat S53 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the press up or down volume button and you'll see here this bell icon. Click twice on the bell icon. Now it switched to the cross bell and we can see the message that calls and notifications they will be muted. So that means that the silent mode successfully activated. If you wanna turn it off, just by the same way, click only once on the cross bell and switch to the normal one, and now our calls and notifications they will ring. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.